To find the slope, we are going to be using the slope formula. So for both of these, we are given 2 points, and we want to use our slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so what we're going to do first always is to label our coordinate points. So we have x1, y1, and x2, y2. Labeling them allows us to take our brain energy out of figuring out which is which and just being able to plug values into the formula. And so I'm just going to follow the formula as it goes. So y2 is -4 minus y1 is 0 over x2 is -9 minus x1 is -12. So you just kind of go through and plug in all your values into your formula. Then you're going to want to simplify the numerator and then the denominator separately. So -4 minus 0 is still just -4. And then -9 minus -12 is -9 plus 12. Or I can just type this in a calculator. And that gives us 3. Now I want to see if I can simplify this at all. So I'm looking when I'm simplifying, do I have 2 negatives? Because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. In this case, I just have 1, so we're good there. And then I'm looking to see if I can divide both my numerator and my denominator by the same number. And I can't. 4 and 3 cannot be divisible by the same number. So this is my final answer. I wanted to also quickly show you this next one because it uses the vocab word the origin, and that is the point 0, 0. So the process is exactly the same. We still label, and when we have 0, 0, we have something like this. When we set it up, we get 0 minus -3 over 0 minus -2. Well, 0 minus a -3 is 0 plus 3, which is 3. And 0 plus 2 is 2. And so when you have zeros, you're just going to have to be really careful with the negatives and then make sure that you simplify your final answer. So 3 over 2 is our final answer. 3 and 2 are not divisible by the same number. You will have to make sure you know that the word origin means the point 0, 0, so you can use the slope formula for that one.